Weezer is a true rock star. He has personality plus and is a happy, friendly, smart boy who loves people and other dogs. Weezer is crate trained, walks well on his leash, and does well with children. He is super affectionate, enjoys belly rubs, playing, cuddling, and smiling. Weezer would do best in a home without cats, but would enjoy another dog to play with. Come meet this handsome young dog and be prepared to fall in love. Adopt Weezer.